Best backup cameras, according to car experts. Backup cameras are one of the best driving aids out there, helping with visibility in what could otherwise be blind spots. In 2018, the Department of Transportation has required that backup cameras come standard in all vehicles, and a lot of cars were including them before 2018 anyway. Chances are if you have a newer car, you probably already have one, but what about if you're driving an older car pre-camera ages? That's where aftermarket backup cameras come in, here at the Products Review Institute. We regularly review and test all kinds of car gear, from the best car accessories to car cleaning products. For the more nitty-gritty car tech though, like the best car buffers, we call on our friends at Car and Driver to pick their brains. To find the best backup cameras, we talked with Associate Commerce Editor Colin Morgan, Assistant Testing Editor Catherine Keeler, and Associate Testing Editor Gannon Burgett, as well as dug through their testing data. Number 1. Wolfbox G840S Mirror Backup Camera. Best Overall Backup Camera. The Wolfbox G840S is Car and Driver's top pick for backup cameras. And we wholeheartedly agree, it's packed with features: a huge 12-inch display that doubles as a mirror, a dashcam built into the display so you can record what's going on in front of you, and most importantly, a high-quality camera with a solid performance. Day or night, instead of your typical video feed on your dash, this backup camera actually attaches over your rearview mirror. When it's non-active, it's a perfectly fine rearview mirror. But when you turn it on and put your car in reverse, it turns into a high-definition rear and front-facing camera. Video feed comes from either the 1080p rearview camera or the 4K dashcam built into the mirror attachment. Car and Driver found the setup to be pretty straightforward, though it does require running a cable through your vehicle. The camera is hardwired into your car's fuse panel, and the video is sent over a cable that ends into a mini jack that plugs into the overhead mirror display. The mirror display is powered via a 12-volt plug that's the cigarette lighter, which also charges the internal supercapacitor, so you can grab photos even when your car is off too. You do have to retrofit the display over your existing mirror, but Car and Driver found that this system is levels above everything they tested, and has a great overall value. Try not to worry about wiring the car front to back either, the 20-foot cord is more than enough to hide it out of sight. Number 2. Likulu Backup Camera Plug and Play. Best Value Backup Camera. Wiring these cameras into your car can be hard. According to our friends over at Car and Driver though, this backup camera was refreshingly easy to install. They ran the camera cable from the trunk to the front of the car, plugged it into the display and then plugged the display into the 12-volt charger. Done and done. Plus, with a whopping 30-foot cable it should be plenty long enough to reach even the back of RVs and pickup trucks, though they did find that the image quality could be better. Especially at night, it was more than clear enough to see any reasonable obstacles with relative ease. Between the plug-and-play installation that sets up a snap and the great price, this product is for sure worth the drop in camera quality. Number 3. Garmin BC40 Wireless Backup Camera. Best backup camera for RVs, motorhomes and trailers. If you're driving anything wide or long, like a motorhome or anything on a hitch, you know the pain of attempting to back up with all that extra bulk if you're sporting an older RV. You might even just have to stick someone outside the vehicle to give you the all clear. Garmin might be known for their GPS systems circa a time before map applications on our phones. But they also make some pretty sweet backup cameras. This tiny camera is wireless between the camera and the display when it's hardwired into a 12-volt power source. Though the display does have to be one of Garmin's compatible units, which are sold separately for Car and Driver's test. They used the DriveSmart 65 GPS. They found that in daylight conditions the view was almost 180 degrees, meaning that everything in the plane of the backup camera was visible. Despite the wireless connection, they found there was almost no lag between the camera and the display. While the sensor stands up both day and night, Car and Driver found that the image quality dropped dramatically at night, noting flares from any light behind the camera. When they blocked the stray light, they did find the image quality improved. However, while the experts at Car and Driver note that this is not the backup camera for you, if you need solid images at night, it might make sense if you have a Garmin display or are okay with shelling out the cash for one. Number 4. Eway Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Wireless Backup Camera. Best wireless backup camera. When you're looking for a system with not a single wire hanging around, this is the one for you. Car and Driver says it's a use-as-needed camera that's magnetically attached to the back of your vehicle or anything you're towing. It's battery-powered and rechargeable via USB-C cable. The feed uses a local Wi-Fi connection to display the backup image on your smartphone through the camera's phone app. The wide-angle lens did give the testers at Car and Driver a comprehensive view of the backup area. Even more so when they mounted it higher on the vehicle. You do pay for the ease of wireless setup though. Every time you want to use the camera, you have to attach the camera and then connect it to your phone's hotspot. A bit clunky for sure, but it's better than running your truck into the fence, because you can't see over whatever you've got loaded in the bed. Car and Driver did note that physical installation is straightforward once you find the correct app. There's one for Android and one for iOS, though they found the instructions confusing. Number 5. Jansite Mirror Dash Cam with Backup Camera. Best Value Backup Camera. The Mirror Dash Cam is a must-have for any car owner. With its full touchscreen and 1080p FHD resolution, it provides clear and detailed footage of both the front and rear views of your car. The night vision feature ensures that you can still see everything in low-light conditions. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures everything in its path. The 10-meter cable allows for easy installation, and the loop recording feature ensures that you never miss a moment. The Mirror Dash Cam is perfect for parking assistance, and provides peace of mind while driving. Super Night Vision function can capture clear videos with enhanced details in low-light conditions, and you can read number plates and other important information. The rear camera display with guidelines assists you in safe parking. It is flexible and convenient for you to adjust the view angle by sliding your finger on the touch screen when driving or reversing. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.